The laptop of my dreams is finally here. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 AI. That's a mouthful, but you get the gist. Long time coming for me, but hey, I'm gonna be unboxing this right in front of you. Let's get into it. Okay, how do I get this to open? Ooh-wee. Oh my goodness. Would you look at this thing? Would you look at this thing, man? Wait, where's the laptop? None of all this matters, man. None of all this matters. This is what we're here for. This is what we're here for. This is what we're here for. What are we talking about, fam? I mean, they say it's heavy, but not to me anyways. I'm a pretty huge individual, so everything's done really. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Let's see what else is in the box, but man, it looks sexy. Anything new anyways looks sexy, so, but look at that screen, man. Look at that screen. Nah. Look, as you can see, mine are pretty big, so I don't really mind the keyboard being. Oh my goodness. Let's see the ports. Like in the videos, they say it's pretty thick, but it's not to me. And they say it's heavy, but not to me. This is 2 point what? They say it's 2.7 kg. I really don't mind carrying this around, honestly. Look at my hands. This is my hands. So I'm pretty big, so man, this looks nice, honestly. This looks so nice. I don't care about none of that. Oh my god, the charger is heavy, man. The charger is heavy. How do you open this? Alright, let's go. No. Look at the size of this thing, man. Look. Ouch. Look at the size of this thing. Look at my hands. As you can see, look at the size of my hands and look at the size of this thing. Is the weight really an issue when it comes to like game laptops? Not in this case. To be honest, I knew what I was getting into. 2.7 kg. I go to the gym, so I understood like 2.7 kg is not gonna feel heavy to me. And yeah, this is the laptop manuals and everything, all of that. Setup guide, whatever. I don't care. I don't care about none of this. Is there anything else in here? Seriously, nothing else. We don't care about that box. This is what we care about. Just the nail right there. Pretty clean. Wow. This thing is gonna serve for years, man. I'm gonna write the what you call it? The specs of this laptop. I want to write it in the video and you guys can see what is this packing. And yeah, if you want me to review it, I don't think I'll review it, but I'll talk about like my mentality of buying the laptop and all of that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Yeah, it's a sexy laptop, honestly. Let's not lie. This is gonna. And look at the lid, man. Like it opens, close really well. Yeah. Nice. They say it's thick. Again, this comes down to individual, like, what you like in your laptops. They say it's thick, but to me it's not thick. I can actually lug this around all day. Like, it's 2 kg, man. It's not like it's 10 kg. If it's like 5 kg, I understand, but it's 2.7. I don't know, or 2.5 or something like that. It's alright. Look at my hands on the laptop. So, Superman, I'm excited. I've worked hard for this, and I've been looking forward to it in a long time. I'll get it up and running. You know, oof, I don't want to turn this on yet. This is beautiful. Anyways, that's me. I'm just yapping now. I'm just, look at the screen again. I'm really proud of myself, honestly. The price was 3,000. Yeah. No, it was 2,500, but I had to pay what you call it? What do you call those things? Custom duties, because Europe and shit like that. Anyways, that is for this video. Hope you enjoyed.